guide you how to do for our Million software, get the EA form, get the Borang E and CP8D, and the last one, how to do the e-submission for the LHDN website. And this is a topic I will cover for today's. And then later on, my colleague, Ms. Low, will share to you regarding our FMB popcorn system. It's our new launch software. So later on, this is a section will be Ms. Low will introduction for you. So now I will guide you how to do the EA form from the Million Payroll. Okay, sure. For the first step, when you want to do for your EA form, please make sure the PCB table is under the resident, non-resident, Iskandar like that. Cannot be under non-resident. Sure, I will show you the settings from here. Employee profile. This is the example. Please make sure your PCB table under these 4 categories cannot be not applicable. If you put in under the not applicable, that means you don't want the system generate EA form for you. Please make sure you're under these 4 categories. Okay, so normally Malaysia will put in as a resident. Okay, this is the first step you must be take care about it. Okay, then the second one will be the allowance part. Okay, you look at the screen. For this allowance, right? Please make sure you got tick for taxable. Sometimes the user will be using the allowance to issue your bonus, director fee, or commission. So please make sure you got tick the taxable and EA form row number. Put in the formula is B1B. Okay, under capital. Please make sure you put in the formula. The system just can link back to the EA form under the correct columns. So the second will be the normal allowance. Also need to tick taxable. Put in the formula is B1C. Okay, later on will be the benefit in kind. Tick the taxable, tick the BIK. Put in the formula B3. And the last one is a tax relief. Tick the taxable, put in the formula is a F. So I will do a live demo, let you to know how to setting it. Under here, employee allowance. Before you issue out your EA form, you must be make sure you do the setting. Okay, example, now I want to do for as a BIK. I should be tick for taxable, tick for BIK. Then here, I put in B3. So this is a sample. Then if let's say I got tax exemption. So example, my tax exemption will be a meal allowance. Okay, then I can put in F at here. So this is the sample, let you to know which column will be displayed under your EA form. If let's say you got this situation, I already stat at here. So the taxable column compulsory for tick. EA form row number is compulsory for fill in. So must be remember this step. Okay. After done the setting from the above, then you just can generate out your EA form. The step generate out the EA form will be here. Reports, income tax. You go for EA form first. You generate, select all your stuff. Okay. Tekan, yes. Okay. Then after that, you can print for your EA form from here. So this is the sample. Just now I got fill in for the bonus or commission, right? Then look at here. B1A will be your gross salary. B1B will be your commission or bonus column. Okay, so this is a sample to generate out for the EA form. But sometimes the common error the user will be facing. Why? My staff already resigned. The system cannot generate out the EA form. So the step you should be checked under here. Employee maintenance. Example for the first one, you edit it. For the staff already resigned, please make sure you got put in the resided. Okay, I show you one sample like this, and then put in the reason for resignation. So if let's say the staff already resigned, right, must be put in the that resign and the resignation reason. The system just can let you generate out the EA form with the latest information. So if let's say you don't have put in this information, right, The system cannot let you to generate the EF form in correct method. Okay, for those staff already resign, you must be do this step. Okay, so this is a common error the company will be facing it. So I will set up for you, let you to know how to checking for it. Okay, and then the second one, the common issue our customer asked me from here, in this EF form can put in the nama pegawai, jawatan, address for some things. Yes, where can get it? So now the step will be like this. You go for setting, statutory setting, organization setting, income tax. Okay, here you can fill in your company, PCB number. The second one, the person in charge information will put in here. Can put in your director information, HR manager information, HR clerk information. That's all. Choose either one. So somebody for your HR manager already resigned. You take over their jobs. You want to change your person in charge information, then you can change for here. And then you save it here. You already save it, will straight away reflects under your EF form. This correct nama pegawai. Okay, from here. So another tips for you, for EA form, right? At least you must be print out or email out to your staff before 28th February. Okay? So this is the common date sent out to your user. Okay, sorry, for your employee. Please make sure you must be sent out before February. Hello? Sorry, I think my internet got lost. Can you hear my voice now? Okay, sorry, just now my internet got some problem, so it already rose it. So I think I speak again regarding the EF form from here regarding the setting, statutory setting, organization setting for income tax here. Okay, repeat again. Person in charge information, you already fill in. After that, you can print out your EF form. Please prepare your EF form before 28th February. Okay, please make sure you prepare it before February for every year. Okay. So this is a setting for how to generate EF form. Okay, so later on, the step-by-step already here. I already share the PDF under our chat box. So later on, I will share it again. Then we go for another topic as a how to generate Borang E and CP8D. Okay, so you look at the screen, just now I got mentioned, right? That join, that resign region is very important because this also will affect for CP8D bahagian A. Okay, for the batch number 2, CP8D, Borang E, they will need to show up how many staff join on 2025, how many staff resign on 2025. So the that join and the that resign field is a compulsory field. Okay, so I continue. Sorry, my voice is clear, is it? Because my side internet, I think is not stable yet. So if let's say you cannot listen my voice, then you put under the chat box. I try maximize my voice first. Okay, so I will speak slowly a bit. So if let's say you cannot listen my voice, let me to know. Okay, I will continue it. Then I will guide you how to fill in for the second batch here. Okay, here will be the information will show under the batch 2, bahagian Borang E. So under here, right, you must be put in your category majikan, your status of business, your income tax number. So I will do a live demo, let you to know how to fill in this step. Okay, then we log in back for Million software. You go for reports. Here, setting, statutory setting, organization setting here. You go for income tax here. appears. Then you go for others. Okay, under others here, you can look at here, status of employer. How can I know? You can refer back for this print screen. Category majikan. Example, I'm a swasta, syarikat. So after that, inside the Million software, I need to fill in as a 4, number 4. Okay, status of business, right? Look at back for here. Status of majikan. Is this beroperasi dalam proses penggulungan? If let's say under the status of majikan, beroperasi, then you fill in the Million software, number 1. Continues. If let's say your company income tax number is starting for C, under Million software, you put in 03. Then after that, methods of CP8D submission. Now, all go for the online e-submission, right? So here, I recommend you put in number 1. Okay, method of CP8D submission. So, tax office, you can select the Ispani Surah, Sabah, or Sarawak. Okay, this is a field let's say you got filled in, right? Under the CP8D, Borang E, batch 2 will be show up. Okay, so this is the step to how to fill in the step from here. Okay, so we will continue how you generate up your Borang E and CP8D. You can go for reports, income tax, then later on, you can go for CP8. You look at here, got one generate retired debt. This is a compulsory field from LHDM because they want to estimate your staff when they are retired debt. But sometimes the director already over 60 years old because the system only automatically generate the staff with the 60 years old. For those staff already over than 60 years old, please manual and estimate their retired debt. You can put in to that at here. Okay, for those already over 60 years old, you should be manual filling that here to that. The system cannot be calculation for them anymore. Okay, so already filling everything done already, then you can tick for here, generate retired debt, then you click for e-submission. Okay, you look at here, the format got 3 types. E-data proceed using for January and February, testing upload draft file. Okay, then start on March, 1st of March, LHDN just open their slot, let you to fill in the CP8D. Okay, so 1st of March, you just can upload for it. Okay, then you can, example now already 1st of March already, right? You want to upload it, then you click CP8D, then you select OK, then you save anywhere for the file. Okay, under the system, the file got the M file and the P file. Now we only need to upload the P file. Okay, N file you can ignore it. Okay, we using the P file only for upload, go for the LHDN website. Okay, so now I will show you a picture how to do upload, go for the MyTax website. Then as a user, you using your director account, log in your MyTax website. Then second one, you select the perkhidmatan EZ hasil, e-data proceed CP8D. Okay, I repeat again. E-data proceeds can upload on January and February. CP8D can start upload on March, 1st of March. Okay, so continue. You select Verbi pengemukakan muat naik file CP8D. Then you continue, you upload the P file. Then after that, you fill in the person in charge, like the director information. Then you send it and submission it. After your submission complete already, then you can print out the acknowledged file. Okay, you can generate, go for the PDF. You also can print out as a records. So here I recommend everything must be kept for 7 years for your audit purpose. Okay. Then after that, when you ready submit for your CP8D, right? The next steps will be e-filing must be update your Borang E. Okay, then you go back again for your Perkhidmatan Izat Hasil, you select the e-filing. Then after that, you select the Form E. Then you select the month or the year you want to submit. Example, 2025. Then you can make sure the information of your income tax number correct already. Then you select next. Then okay, at here you must be checking your company address, your company email, your company phone number, everything's be correct. After that, here got CP8D columns, right? If let's say you already submit CP8D successful, here will be straight away fill out like this one. You don't need to change anything. Okay, then you just next. Then here you must be referred back the Borang E in the Million software, batch number 2. How many staff resign in 2025? How many staff go into your office on 2025? And then how many staff got contribute PCB on 2025? Everything you manually fill in based on the report in Million. Okay, you fill in everything already, then you next. Then using the director information, acknowledge it. Okay, after that, you can print out the acknowledge slip. Okay, so this is a step how to submission for CP8D.